What you're seeing right now, this animation, the character design, the movement, the sound effects, even the captions, was created using a single free tool. And the surprising part, I almost missed it. 2 days ago, there was a lot of buzz around a platform that allowed users to animate videos for free. But as expected, that feature quickly became paid. And honestly, that turned out to be a good thing, because instead of stopping there, I kept searching. And what I discovered is something far more powerful. This tool doesn't just animate, it lets you generate images, transform them into cinematic 3D style videos using advanced models, add sound effects, insert captions, and edit your entire timeline all in one place. And right now, it's still free. But if we've learned anything, it's that tools like this don't stay free forever. So if you're interested, now is the time to take advantage of it. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process, from a blank idea to a fully finished animated video, without spending a single dollar. Make sure to watch until the end, because I'll share one simple technique that dramatically improves your final result, and very few people are using it yet. Let's get started. Every great animation begins with one thing, a story. And here's the best part, you don't even need to write it yourself. You can use tools like ChatGPT to instantly generate a complete story along with everything you need to build your animation. With the right prompt, you'll get a full script, a consistent character description, a detailed image generation prompt, and multiple scene-by-scene video prompts. Everything structured, organized, and ready to use. Now, most people at this point think they need multiple tools, an image generator, a video editor, a sound library, caption software, but that's no longer the case. You can do everything in one place using Google Vids. This is a relatively new feature inside the Google ecosystem that many people still don't know about, and here's why it's powerful. Inside this single tool, you can generate images, animate them into videos, add sound effects automatically, insert captions, and edit your entire timeline, all without leaving the platform and without paying. Let's start with the first step, creating your character. Take the character description and image prompt you generated earlier, combine them, and paste them into the image generator inside Google Vids. Choose your preferred aspect ratio, I recommend 16:9 for YouTube, and generate your image. Once it's ready, take a moment to review it carefully. Make sure the design is clean, the colors look right, and it matches your vision. This step is critical because this image will be the foundation of your entire animation. Next, turn that still image into a video. With one click, you can convert your still image into a moving scene using advanced video generation models. Now, take your first scene prompt and paste it into the system. Within seconds, your character comes to life. You'll see movement, camera transitions, environmental effects, and even dialogue with synchronized lip movement. What's impressive is that everything is generated automatically. The voice, the sound effects, the atmosphere, all from a single prompt. From here, the process becomes simple. For each new scene, copy the next prompt, paste it into the video generator, generate the clip. Each scene builds on the previous one, maintaining character consistency while advancing the story. Different angles, new environments, evolving sound design, all handled automatically. Repeat this process until you've created all your scenes.
Step up to the line, feel the fire. Eyes locked on the prize, getting higher. Heart pounding, drums start to play loud. No backing down, standing ground. Face the storm, lift your chin, brace the gale. In the thunder, oh, we prevail. Strength in each heartbeat like a drum. Together we rise, here we come. Rise above the ashes, feel the light. Break the chains, let courage ignite. Through the darkness, we will shine bright. Rise above, we conquer the night.
At this stage, you'll have a complete animated sequence, but there's one element that can significantly improve viewer retention: captions. Inside Google Vids, you can generate captions automatically with a single click. The system analyzes your video, transcribes the dialogue, and syncs the text perfectly, no manual work required. Once everything is ready, you can export your video. Simply download it as an MP4 file, and your project is ready to upload and share. No expensive software, no subscriptions, no prior experience needed. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing. I regularly explore new AI tools and share the most powerful ones, especially while they're still free. Because as we've seen, that window doesn't stay open for long. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Here we go! Too fast! Stay sharp! Whoa! Whoa! Jump it! Okay, focus! Try and keep up! Okay, focus!